what's up, welcome back to another video. It's a girl show.
It's a girl Zoe.
It's a girl Zoe.
And it's a girl Zoe.
Alright guys, so here what we're gonna be going to Manville today. So before we go into the video, I want to say happy Sunday to everybody that is watching this video. So you all know the usual routine. Please, I'm asking you to make sure that you
subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video.
And most importantly, please remember to watch the ads, okay? So we'll be going to the doctor. My stepdad is going to go to the doctor, so we just are gonna accompany him, right? So please remember to follow me on our socials at @Rush_Shella. And please remember to subscribe to my second channel as well, Journey with Rush. So as you know, I try my best to keep both channels active and give you guys content. Even though it's not easy, but at the end of the day, I still post regardless, right? So the other day I realized in my video, when we title the video, everybody asks who the surgery and what blah blah blah. So anyway, it was not me who do surgery or Chloe or Zoe. So anyway, a lot of been asked who the surgery, blah blah blah, and been answer so my stepdad was the one who did surgery, right? Yeah, so that's the reason why me put that in the title, because that was like I was not planning to video that to put up on the internet or anything, but we did a video when I go over the hospital, and the reason why I put that in the video. So I just hope you all watch this video to the end, and as usual, big up on a nice clean self. So stay tuned.
I'll watch the video. Bye.
Tell them tata. Tell them tata. Tata.
Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing mackerel with Frank's turned cornmeal, and then we're going to be doing this for tea. So this is chocolate mix with mint, and we're gonna mix this here. I'm gonna just mix some thyme juice and put on the fridge. I'm gonna season up this chicken because this is what we'll be cooking today. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the Frank's in there. And here's the cornmeal. I'm gonna make it go and steam out, so I'm gonna just cover it up and leave it.
Got tired of your shit, you almost took my life. Long not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time. Got tired of your shit, you almost show my mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you all see? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you think I left but one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost show my mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games.
Leave her no clothes and then she drop.
Sugar. Sugar.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
Guys, my shoes just cut my finger. Can you imagine that?
No, me.
Alright guys, so I just clean up the chicken. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash it off with some vinegar and then I season it up. I'll be cooking this today for dinner with rice and peas, okay? So today we're gonna be doing corn with mixed vegetable. Guys, I'm telling you this, guys. I see what day I see somebody on the channel commented about them never see me cook. I'm telling you this, man, a buffan here. I not like some of them hot girl where the only time them can eat are when them go out and buy food to eat, right? I buy food if I want to buy food, okay? Or when we feel like to buy food. I always a cook at my yard here, so nobody get this thing twisted. Like if I was a hot girl, a regular mode and I do nails, a regular mode and I do hair, and no business, but you know, food for cook a yard. Come on, say, alright then, you know, I just buy food 7 days a week, but that's not me. I'm not like that, okay? So yeah, I don't want to buy it on the channel, feel like, you know, me a back fan. Because I am not, okay? So I'm gonna go in with some garlic powder. And you know, I figure say the reason why the person says so, I throw them to me mainly buy food. Going with some paprika, some minced onion. We're going with. Then we're gonna rub in all of this now. Alright guys, so just get some ackee, pick off of the tree. Make go try see if I can clean out them here, and then I cook it and put them in a Ziploc bag and the fridge. So you know we have ackee to eat. Yes, starfish up on the fridge already. Yeah, I know enough of my supporters them overseas would mind if you could get like all 1, 3, 4 dozen of this right now. Yeah, y'all know the good old Jamaican ackee, the best. Alright guys, so I just brown the chicken them. Alright guys, so you know say September is rainy month, so rain, and rain. Alright guys, I'm gonna try and put in the coconut milk, so just I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make this cook first, and then after I season my pot, put in my peas, rice, and then we get to business. This is just finished. Alright guys, so this is Chloe's dinner, and she's going to be having some carrot lasco, the best. Alright guys, so this is my dinner, and yes, I'm gonna have some carrot juice as well. Literally the best.